segment joining the points P and Q. So I can take here P, which is a point, and another point here Q. P's coordinates are given as -4, -2, and Q's coordinates are given as 10, 4. Now if I join this line segment, there is y-axis. So if I take here R is the point which y-axis, so because it is on y-axis, x coordinate will be 0, and it is divided in which ratio? Now you know that whenever ratio is missing, you always take case to 1 as the ratio here, and you will use the section formula. What is the section formula? It will become 0, y will be equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, here then we'll repeat the same thing, m1 y2 with y coordinates plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. If you will substitute here, it will be 0, y will be equals to m1 is here, your k, m2 is 1. So you'll do just the cross multiplication here. It will become your 10k plus 1 into -4. It can become your -4 by k plus 1, here 4k, because you are multiplying with y coordinate, and 1 into -2, it will be -2 by k plus 1. Now you are going to equate 0 with this to get the value of k here. So 10k minus 4 by k plus 1, which is equals to 0. This whole value will become 0. So you will get here 10k minus 4 is 0. So k is 4 by 10, which is 2 by 5. So what is going to be k is to 1 if I am taking? It will be 2 is to 5. So which option is the right option? Option number A is the right option. Hope you got this.